Hi, how are you doing? Welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how I got this eye look for autumn using the ABH Modern Renaissance Palette. So let's get on with it. We are going to be using the Modern Renaissance Palette. ABH has a new palette. I'm tempted to buy it. Let's first see. Let me first get some looks from these ones that I already have. Start with, ooh girl, I'm gonna do my base. I haven't done my base yet. What am I doing? What's going on? No, I'm going to use something a bit lighter. I'm going to use mahogany from NYX. So that we can have a little bit of color payoff. I've already done my eyebrow. Then we're gonna set with the loose powder. I'll have to twist my brows. I've just seen that I have a little bit of hair, but it's okay. For today, it is what it is. So, there, our eyeshadow base is ready. I'm going to go in with this fluffy brush and I'm going to mix rose sienna and burnt orange. First, I think, let me first. You're gonna tap it on before you start blending it out. So rose sienna and have a little bit of fallout. Thank God I haven't done my base yet. I'm supposed to leave in an hour to go meet my friend. We are going to the cinema to watch The Nun. The Nun is a horror. I don't really watch horrors. I'm just going because I thought maybe it's time to overcome my phobia. The last horror movie that I watched, the last horror movie that I watched was, you know, that horror movie where there was a woman or a child who came out of a well and then through the TV, like dun, dun, dun. That one. Ooh, girl. That was the last horror I watched at night because I could not sleep for days. And I don't know how I'm going to watch The Nun. I don't know, but I'll try and watch it. Put on a little bit more. You have to put it to your desired intensity. I'm going to go in with my Real Techniques brush the Essential Crease Brush, and I'm going to go into Real Gear, which is this. Here's Real Gear, this deep orange shade, and I'm going to put it on my crease. I'm going to tap it on like so. Ooh, I should have used this as my transition shade, but it's okay. Now I'm gonna use circular motions and swiping motion to get in there, because you know we also want, when we open our eye, despite the fact that it's hooded, that somebody actually sees some shade. So using the circular motions is gonna like spread it out more outside the fold. Add some darkness or a smokiness. I'm going to go to this shade right here, which is Red Ochre, because I want to put the Venetian Red and Love Letter on the lid. I'm thinking, so I could go with Red Ochre, like, let's see. Ooh, nice. Red Ochre is too bright. Ooh. Let me go in with Cypress Amber, which is a dark brown. Ooh, child, it's pigmented, isn't it? We're just adding some smokiness to it because it is in the evening. Subtle, I just want it to be there, but not there. It's not supposed to take over the whole look, just to add a little bit of, you know, smokiness. Let's do the lid shade first, then see how it looks like. I'm going to go in with this fluffy brush. Ooh. I'm going to go in with this flat brush, not fluffy. And I'm going to dip into Venetian Red, both sides, and Love Letter. And we're gonna tap it onto the lid. I love this for the fall. The pigment payoff. Woo! Let's add some more so that it can really, really, really be there, like really in your face. This is a wonderful, wonderful herbs. I keep saying herbs. When I say herbs, I mean autumn. Wonderful, wonderful autumn look. Especially for the night time. Look like an idiot on camera. I get excited about such things. I'm sorry. I just love makeup. So, you see that? I'm kind of being tempted to add a little bit of shimmer, but let me first blend everything and then see. So where's the brush? Let's just. Going to add a little bit of Cypress Amber because it's kind of, I don't know, there's something it's doing to this look. It's like amplifying it a little bit, right? Or am I spoiling it? Use this brush to get rid of the line of demarcation. Between Cypress Amber and the burgundy shade. I haven't put any shade on it. Like I should know. Don't. She said that. So one thing about this look is you can rock it like this, or you can add shimmer. The palette doesn't have a lot of shimmer. It has like Primavera, which is a gold shimmer. Then we have Vermeer and Antique Bronze. So if you have like, and I don't know, next week maybe I'm going to go to Sephora, because the Urban Decay have this loose eyeshadow in a small pot, and it shimmers. It really shimmers. You can add it like on top of the look to make it, you know, if you want. I'm running late, so I'm just gonna do a wing and do the rest of my face, and I'll be right back. I want to say something. Please don't come for me. Don't come for me. Have you guys watched, has anybody watched this Showmax show? This body works for me, or my body works for me? Season 2. The person, the confessions, I don't know who did that makeup, but the contour looks like it's just there. I don't know if you guys have noticed, or I'm the only one who noticed, or I don't know. Did anybody notice? I'm not trying to be messy. Like, whoever did the contour should remember to blend it out. I'm just saying. So let's just finish this look up with my finishing powder. This is now my herbst. This is now my autumn look for tonight. I'm just gonna set everything with the finishing powder. I love this look. I love it. And we're gonna set everything with the fix. I don't think I'm gonna try the oven decay one, but I don't think I'll ever go away from it. I think I need to buy more of these. Girl, I love it. On my lip I have MAC Cyber. It's this shade. When you if you really don't wear color, when you see it, it's quite intimidating, but it looks so good for autumn and winter. Ding ding ding. Then the lip liner I used was Night Moth. Okay, I got the earrings from Manor, and yeah, so this is my complete look. I love it. Yay! So if you've watched this video till this far, I'm going to insert pictures of my outfit for tonight. I'm whispering because it's late at night. It's 10:30 and he's in bed. I just wanted to share with you guys the outfit. So I'm basically wearing this top from Zara. These are these trousers from H&M and my sneakers. And because it's a little bit chilly, I'm wearing the leather jacket and just this bag. A friend gave it to me to use a little bit more weight so that all my trousers can fit me the way they used to. As you can see, it's a little bit tight, but we're still working out. So I really felt so cute tonight. Good night. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you've watched this video till this far and you like it, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and join the family. I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.